When you hear the word speed, what comes into your mind? A Bugatti Chiron. A bullet train. A rocket. Or maybe a F-35. The universal speed limit is light, at 300,000 kilometers per second. And the fastest of anything built by mankind is the Parker Solar Probe, at nearly 700,000 kilometers per hour. But is that the limit to the speed of travel by mankind? But first, let's look at what light is made up of. Light is made up of photons, of which photons move very fast. And photons behave both like particles and waves. Well, since light indeed is the universal speed limit, the question is, how can we exceed the speed of light? But rather, can we exceed the speed of light? Well, a Mexican scientist by the name of Miguel Alcubierre came up with a theory.
Alexei Bobrik, who's an astrophysicist, and Jeannie Madhya, who's a physicist, put on a mission to find ways to make Alcubierre's theory possible without the need for negative mass. Also finding out that even if you bent space-time the way Alcubierre did, you still needed some sort of energy to move the ship, as it will not automatically start traveling at high speeds. The energy can be like modern conventional rocket technology, where the momentum of the gases coming out of the rocket engine pushes the rocket in the opposite direction. But the question still remains, can you travel faster than the speed of light? The two scientists made 4 warp drive systems based on the speed inside the bubble and outside the bubble. Class 1 of the 4 is physically possible, as it requires positive mass, but it does not travel faster than the speed of light. We can do this through time dilation. Out of the 2 ways in general relativity to produce time dilation, if a ship is built with 10% the mass of the sun, built of a super dense material, depending on the density, the people in the ship would experience significant time dilation, as it can be very large, but they would only go at around half the speed of light. Before we get a speeding ticket, let's just take a sudden pause, because the word speed has been running through my mind for the past 2 minutes. Out of the 4 classes of the warp drive system, with today's current technology, we are able to use class 1 warp drive system, and we can actually reach 50% of the speed of light using time dilation. Thanks for watching.